This introduction is to bring clarity to the purpose of this course and explain how it will improve your flight test career. Say you are a flight test engineer who just undertook a stall test point. Are you getting stalled with data? How can you be future-proof? Upskill yourself with tools and applications which will help to crunch data, analyze data, and visualize data. Data analysis is nothing new in aviation. We all have been doing that using contemporary tools and software applications. Outside the flight test universe, big data has received a lot of attention lately, but the changes in test instrumentation and modern-day flight test requirements have pushed flight test teams closer and closer to the realm of big data. Flight data from a fully instrumented Airbus 380 or F-35 approaches the scale of banking of financial systems. Flight test engineers, test pilots, and operators in training are introduced to data analysis in the very beginning of the flight test course, sometimes explicitly, and sometimes they are expected to pick it up as they go. Often though, analysis tools may not be provided. If they are available, they may be in a language that is new. You may have heard data science practitioners mention the Python programming language. You may get the impression that Python is a magic wand, a cure-all for all data-related problems. Well, it's not that easy, but it's not that hard either. We are here not to market Python, but a simple Google search for the most preferred software for data analytics will show you why we chose Python as the language for this course. We are here to make an intersection of Python and aviation. To be specific, we want to join Python with flight testing. Python installation is assumed, and all required Python libraries for flight test data analysis will be listed. At the end of this course, you will gain proficiency in importing Excel, CSV, and text files,